Namaste, good morning, good afternoon, good evening with Anshul Singh, young dynamic filmmaker. Welcome Anshul,
Namaste, sir.
how are you?
I am good, sir.
So while you are making this film, I think there must be wrong elements in the society. Did you get any threats?
Yeah, I got a life threat. I was getting a lot of life threat while I was making that project, and even police came to my house. It was a very challenging task when I was going through that journey, because I was in the night time I was working, and daytime fighting with all this mafia and all those who are there into this trade. So it was a very challenging stuff. But the biggest thing which inspired me, that there is one man who is fighting all this odd and doing and giving such a big contribution to the whole society. So as a filmmaker, it was my responsibility and fundamental right that I should stand with this person. So that is what I felt. I felt that I'm doing the wrong. Sorry, I felt I'm doing the right thing. I should go forward and stand with him. That is what I did.
So you felt that you are not doing wrong, so you are doing right, and so go with that. And actually, I have seen that film. I think you dealt with directly dead bodies rather than something fabricated or something.
Correct.
So how the bodies are shifted, how the bodies are moved. See, these unclaimed bodies are most of the one which they met with accident.
Correct.
They or otherwise for organ trade somebody is being killed, isn't it?
Yes. So so it's been 7 years now since that movie has been made. So while I was doing research work, at that time I identified there's a huge demand of internal organs in the different part of the world where a lot of organ goes from our country. So that is what came into my research work, and then I found that through our city, Hyderabad, lot of body has been killed. A lot of people has been killed for these organ trade reasons also.
Okay.
That is also there.
Generally, what is the killing process they do that? Is it accident kind of?
So when I was having an interaction with Mr. Rajeshwar Rao, I came to know that in several hospitals in the city where a lot of homeless people are there, and then when there is a demand of these kind of thing, then these kind of killings happen.
Direct medical
Yeah.
killing.
Correct. So I have done lot of sting operations also on this. So if on my Facebook page, Gateway to Heaven, I've released all the sting operation videos, because no news channels were ready to release all these kind of confidential details. But I took that bold step forward, and I've released all those video and make sure that some change and transformation is coming.
If somebody wants to see your films and everything, what is the URL you say?
So my YouTube channel name is MGF Films. So currently
MGF Films.
Correct.
Okay. What is the MGF full form?
It's a short form. It's a short form of my company called MacGuffin Frames. So under that banner, we have started this YouTube channel called MJ Films. On that platform, we have.
You have website also, I think.
Yes. So my website name is www.anshulsinha.info, on which all my videos and previous projects can be seen.
So I think you have done one feature films on farmers issue. I have seen that film also. It was great, and it was very informative how the farmers are being exploited and how they are cursed with nature as well as
Yes.
with the system and everything. So while you are making that film, what kind of support you got from the society?
So I got selected as a TEDx speaker in 2015.
Great.
And then from there I got a huge support. So Mitti, the name of this project is Mitti Back to Root. I have invested 1 year in doing the research work. I invest a lot of time in doing the research.
Even you interviewed me also as
Yes,
a son of farmer
Correct.
at Telephone Bone.
As a part of research work, I came to know, and then even you were having a lot of information and knowledge, and you have also done a lot of work with the fields, with the farmers. So the information and the knowledge which I received from your end was very insightful and was very helpful. And then as a part of this journey, it took almost 1 year for me to understand why there is an agrarian crisis and why farmers are committing suicide in our country. So it took almost 1 year, and then as a filmmaker, I strongly believe that a lot of time needs to be invested in doing the research work and getting a grip on the subject.
If you know inside the problem, then only
Correct.
understanding the problem is half solved. So if you understand the problem well, obviously you can do You can give the solution.
Exactly.
So opposite of problem is solution.
Exactly. So I got connected with Mr. G.V. Ramanjanalu. He was having experience of 30-40 years. And then through this medium of cinema, I converted his vision and how this agrarian crisis can be solved in our country.
I think Sir has done some Satyameva Jayate.
Correct. He was part of Satyamev Jayate, and then his work.
He is a TEDx speaker also.
Correct. His work has been spread globally, and Mitti went on to complete 2,000 shows so far. It has been dubbed into Telugu language also, in other several languages also. It's there on YouTube. On YouTube also, it's creating a huge impact. A lot of people are watching it and getting benefit from that project.
So after doing this film, do you get any commercial kind of films like, feature films? Any producer has come, like blockbuster films like what present so many heroes, heroines. These kind of offers have come.
So currently, lot of people feel that I'm a social domain filmmaker. I can do only social film, but it is not at all like that. Apart from these social films, I've done 1,000 projects, which is advertisement films, corporate films, which is my major source of survival. So I have done lot of projects, but because of that brand image of mine, a lot of producers stay away from me. But definitely I have that potential of making the commercial blockbuster cinema also. It's just that I need some right collaboration to come up with those big projects. I can do it. Like I've done lot of short films also, which is not commercial, which is not social. Those are having commercial elements in it.
How many total short films you have done?
I've done over 300 films, and including corporate and ad films, I've done over 1,000 projects so far.
Oh, that's great. Giving this time. Thank you, Ansel. సంవత్సరాలు ఒక్క ఛాన్స్ కోసం అని ట్రై చేస్తుంటారు. వాళ్ళకి ఏం బ్యాక్గ్రౌండ్ లేకపోవడం వల్ల అట్లనే ఉండిపోతారని చెప్పి వింటుంటాం మామూలుగా.
కానీ అలాంటి వాళ్ళకు కూడా ఎక్కడో ఒక అవకాశం వస్తుందిగా.
ఓకే,
నేను అలా వచ్చిన వాడినిగా, నాకు వచ్చింది కదా. కానీ ఆ ఓర్మి, ఆ నేర్పు, ఆ సహనం ఇండస్ట్రీలో నిలబడాలంటే ఉండాల్సిందే. స్టిల్ ఈ రోజు కూడా నాకుంది. నాకంటూ పేరు